Riri ndomereri ya kunina gutamba kwa homa ya COVID-19 ithiete ona mbere gutamba ta mwaki wa kithaka, namba ya arwaru ma murimu uyu ikithiaga ona mbere kwandanduka thirikari-ini cia matura. Kambuni ya maguta ya Kenya Pipeline yugete irebeaga thirikari cia matura lita 20,000 cia sanitizer o kiumia.
It is deeply gratifying to see a government corporation that is not directly in the field of health care take up the mantle to work together with others in an emergency response such as this to improve the safety and well-being of the Kenyan people.
Wiruteri uyu wiyukitwe ni kanjo ya magavana na ngoro imwe kuona ni ukunyita itemi bari gucina muri wa homeno uri ukoretwo kithegea makaunti-ini Nairobi igitongoria na namba ya arwaru aria mandikithitio gukinyira riu.
It is our desire that this donation that you, the Kenya Pipeline Company, have shared with counties marks the first step towards a strong and continued cooperation with the Council of Governors as we seek to work together in partnership to serve Kenyans across the nation on the path towards a healthy, prosperous people.
We really have to be responsible for ourselves and be responsible for others.
Sanitizer isi itanyeto kuguna bori ma biathara aria maita maingi makorogo mangetheiro ni ugwati wa kunyitwo ni mirimo aria marutaga wira ceceni-ini cia ugima wa mwiri makibokero bari gucienyagia.
I assure you that the county health departments will make good use of the supply generously donated to minimize risk of infection among citizens in their jurisdiction.
Anyiti itemi matiganite ni moritwo kunyitana moko kwirutira na kiria mundu enakio gutigirira ati mwingi ni wabota kwithema kunyitwo ni homeno na ukithiaga na mbere kuthingatithia mataro ma thirikari. Ona bururi ukiandikithagia kuongerereka kwa arwaru aria mena homa ya COVID-19 unyitaniri wa nyiti itemi matiganite na makiria aria mathondekaga thabuni gukorwo magiteithiriria thirikari cia matura ni kionereria ati bare no ibitireirio na miena yothe. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, Jeta Gomasi, Wadia wa Murithi.